Okay everybody, and welcome back to Legacy Adventures. I gotta get used to changing up my intros since I just changed my channel name. So welcome back to Legacy Adventures, and we're going to be out today. It's a pretty nice day for some photography with the Nikon D7000. So it's a brand new camera, just got it, and I've been testing it out, and so far I am very impressed compared to the D5100 that I just sold. So we're gonna be out here. It's a beautiful day for photography. It's perfect for photography. It's wet and dreary. It's kind of drizzling. Early spring. It's kind of cool to be in here, down here in the woods, and just do some photography, see if we can see anything cool. So if I see any birds, I'll definitely photograph them. I've got the Sony A330 with me also, in case I want to do any landscape photography or macro stuff. So yeah, I'm just gonna make my way around, see if I see anything that might be good for some photography, and I'll bring you back then. But until then, I'll just walk around and see if I find anything unique. Like I said, this is a perfect day for photography. I haven't been out here yet today. Been working on a new video to post, so this is my first time being out here today. And the Nikon D7000 is a very good camera out in the weather, so I'm not the least bit concerned about it being out here when it's drizzling. It has a weather resistant seal around the whole thing. I have researched it a lot, and it isn't very strong, but it can withstand like light rain and snow and dust, so we won't have to worry about any dust today. We will just worry about the rain. Sony A330, I'm not gonna really be out in the rain. Like if it's misting, I'm fine with that, but not out here if it's like raining. So I've got the big bag back here. So that's the biggest one I have. I can actually fit all my cameras in it if I squish it real hard. So that's what I had to do. I need to look into getting a bigger camera bag just for all my cameras, so I can fit them all easily and get to them easily without having to like squish everything in together. So I'm down at the bottom of the pasture now. The cows are running around up there. Hopefully they don't come down and destroy everything. So I like the roots of this tree here. Let's see if I can maybe get some cool shots of it. Let's see what angle might be best. Something's been digging this hole out. I think it's a groundhog that lives down in there. He's been digging it out again after it filled back in. I like it with the moss here, so I'm thinking here might be a really good spot. So here's the D7000. Looks so fancy compared to the 5100 just by looks. It looks way more rugged, and it definitely is in a way more professional line of cameras. It was released just before my 5100, but it's way better, and that's why I upgraded to it. So see what we can get. So, probably going to go to landscape. As I figure out this camera more, I will do more professional looking stuff. But I'm pretty impressed with that right there. Let's see if I can get a higher f-stop here. So I was able to get some pretty good photos at this little spot here, and so I'm gonna make my way up through here now and see what we find. Hopefully I can get some good landscape shots. Just anything that's maybe unique. I'll make my way up here and I'll bring you back then. So I just noticed some little birds down here in the field. See if I can get back. They're really cute little sparrows. So let's see if I can get some pictures. So I'm afraid they left. I'm not seeing them anymore. But I wanted to go ahead and get my signal out. And maybe just sit here for a second and see. There's a lot of birds around here. I'm sure they'll be back. I want to see if they might be still here. I just can't see. Let's see. So I'm just gonna walk around and kind of see if I can find any birds they're around here. I just gotta get to them. So that is what I am doing right now. I'm going to kind of try to get to a good spot where I can kind of hide and photograph. There's a lot of birds here. Figure out where they are hiding. Because I hear them. Okay, everybody, I think I'm going to head back now. My camera is overloaded. It was sticking and giving me problems, so I guess that's just, I was click, like going as fast as it possibly could, and it was just, it couldn't handle it. So there was a yellow-bellied sapsucker back there on the tree, and I was gonna see if I can get you a picture of the thing. We'll load it on the tree. So yeah, the camera was just, I was taking so many pictures just trying to replay them. And thanks for watching. I got some good pictures. I'll put them at the end of this video. New Nikon D7000. It's proving to be a good camera so far. Hopefully it keeps proving to be a good camera, and it's in a more fancy line of cameras. So yeah, please subscribe, like, and stay tuned, and comment down below for more videos. So till next time, goodbye.